If you've ever moved, especially in a cross-country move, you know that movers always end up breaking something, or maybe a few things go missing when you get to the other end. Well, I had made these little nightstands for my guest bedroom, and I had done a video showing you how I put them together, but unfortunately they didn't make it in one piece on my recent move from Texas to Colorado. So keep watching to see how I make this now piece of trash into a super cute farmhouse ombre bunny decor piece. Back when I was making these nightstands, I got this whitewashed wood plank piece from Walmart for around $10. I'm going to freehand the bunny shape with a pencil. The lines from the wood planks make it easy to make sure you're making it even on both sides of the bunny. I want to thank Heidi Sanboul and Desert DIY for hosting this ugly duckling challenge. It gave me a good reason to put this poor little nightstand top to a good use. There will be a playlist with lots of other trash to treasure type of videos, so I'll make sure to link that playlist below. The next step is to mix up some pastel colors. I was wearing an ombre sweater that I got from the loft on the day that I made this, and it inspired me to make an ombre bunny sign. I used some foam brushes and acrylic paints. You don't have to paint perfectly around the bunny just yet because we will be going over the bunny in white paint later, so that'll cover up any mistakes. I went in stripes and blended gently between the colors to get the ombre effect. I found when I got to the areas between colors, wetting the brush just a tiny bit would help the blending look smoother. Also, water helped on some of those areas where the wood texture was just a little rough and the foam brush wasn't going over it as smoothly as I wanted. Now I could have put these nightstands together again, but I have different plans for my guest bedroom in the Colorado home. So make sure to subscribe if you want to see all the upcoming videos of me decorating my new home in Colorado. I would love to have you come along on my journey. I just love sharing all kinds of ways to get crafty and creative in your home. Last year I did a cute little no-sew bunny pillow for springtime, and this year I've already gotten started with my spring decorating videos by making some Pom Pom Decor. Acrylic paint usually doesn't take too long to dry, so we are on to getting the bunny shape looking good. Remember in grade school how you would try to draw within the lines? Well, having a border for painting can make things easier for grown-ups too. I took a chalk paint pen and traced the bunny shape. Then I went in with some white acrylic paint and filled them in. Now this is looking pretty cute as it is, but we have to go that extra mile and make this super duper ultra cutesy by adding a little cotton tail. I found these pom-poms on Amazon. Let's see which one looks best. This set of pom-poms came with several different shades of pinks, grays, white, brown. What color do you like? Leave me a comment in the comment section below. And since we already have a lot of other colors going on in this decor piece, I think I will go with the white. See how there is a little rubber loop on this pom-pom? That could come in handy if you are attaching it to something. So I'm going to use it as a solid point to put my hot glue and secure it to the wood. You could hang this on a wall or use it flat on a table. Look how cute this looks in my kitchen. It's super cheerful for spring. If you liked this video and you want to see more home decor ideas, then I have a playlist just for you. Click right over here to check it out. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a very happy day.